Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's DIY will be how to make slime. It's not really slime, it's technically a better stretchy version of blue tack. So today we'll be making that. It's really simple. It's really nice and stretchy. It's just like good overall. Yeah, so what you will need for this DIY, it's very simple. Very simple. What you will need is your ordinary kind of blue tack. Now this is like stretchy. You can do any color blue tack, it just as long as it's blue tack. And this is not stretchy at all. By the way guys, sorry if there's any background noise because I'm filming this in my bathroom, so you're probably gonna hear a lot of background noise. One, my dad's probably gonna be yelling because he's watching football, and my mum's cooking dinner in the kitchen, so sorry, like background, that's how. Anyway, so you're gonna need your regular kind of blue tack, and you're gonna need any kind of body wash. I'm using a shower gel. I haven't tried it with like non-shower gel body wash, so yeah, I don't know how that one turns out. So we're gonna be using this one today. I'm just using this Dettol one. Anyway, so you're gonna be making this really nice stretchy kind of slime-like thing. Alright, first of all, get your blue tack. Kind of make like a little well in the center with it, so it doesn't really need to be a well, just like a flat surface. You're gonna get your shower gel, body wash, whatever you're using. Gonna squirt a little bit on. And at first you guys will notice that it's really hard to mix in. So you'll probably be mixing for a pretty long time. Yeah. So it's really tough. You're only gonna start with a small amount because you don't want to like overpower it like super quick. Yeah, so I will be back when I've mixed this stuff in. Oh yeah guys, so again my dad in the background, so ignore that. I'm just gonna like no. Alright, just sorry. Alright, so this is it once it's all mixed in. It's alright. The easiest way that I mix it is I hold it with one hand and I just like pull, forward, back over, pull, forward, back over, pull, forward, back over. Next time I'll find a better location for this video because this isn't the best location. Don't have soundproof walls, so sorry. Yeah, so then after you've mixed all that in, which I've done, you're gonna bring... Alright, so you're gonna bring your shower gel back. So just one squirt, just like that. Then I'm just gonna pull forward. Pull forward, pull forward. And you guys will notice that once you've mixed in your first one, like your first and second one, like it gets easier when you mix in like every single one. So if you mix in one pump, it like the first pump it's really hard. Second pump it's not as hard, but it's not easy. yeah, so I've like nearly finished mixing this all in, so I'll come back to you guys when this is all mixed in. Alright guys, so I'm back. My second thing's all mixed in, so by your second pump, you're gonna notice that the color's gonna start to fade. So it's probably gonna turn white, or if you've got red blue tack, it's probably gonna turn like pink or something like that. I haven't really tried it with the color blue tack, but with this normal blue tack, it turns white. So don't freak out if that starts to happen, even after only one pump. Alright, so then we're gonna, after you mix that in, gonna get another pump, and you basically just keep on doing this process, continuing this process until you like it, the consistency that you want. So I'm gonna pause the video here and I will see you back after I've done like a couple of pumps. Alright guys, so this is after like 4 pumps. This is when it starts to get really sticky. Like it will start to get really sticky, but like you'll not want to play with it, but then yeah, so I'll be back when this is like not sticky. Alright guys, so like it's still a little bit sticky, but it's not as sticky as before. Sorry if this is really bad quality because I filmed on my phone. I'm filming on my phone. And as you can probably tell, it's like not an iPhone 7S and stuff. Yeah, so it's still pretty sticky. But once you play with it more and more, it gets like less sticky. Much stickier. Alright, so I'm gonna add this one to this one that I've sitting for a bit. And guys, once you let this sit for a bit, it's not sticky like at all. So this is like it. It just broke. Alright, so I'm gonna add these two together. I feel as if this one's like I put too much in it. So you don't want to do that because then it'll get way too sticky, but I'm adding this one to this, so. Ooh. Just don't mind with that. Yeah, this is like so big now. Sorry, that was like my water. It's like really bad. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, it's not the best video, but it'll do. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So like, this isn't my first video. I've got another channel, just called Horse Up 3000. So you guys should go check that out, and please drop a like and subscribe, and I would really appreciate a comment, maybe like some advice. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. My next couple of videos will be a lot better because I'll probably be in a different location and I'll be filming like a different video. Yeah, but anyway, bye guys.